Quick demo of how the Driver Power app works on Android. First, you're gonna install the app. You're gonna tap on this button. This is going to start your assistant. We're gonna select whether we want to go for food delivery or rideshare. Let's demo food delivery. Now Android wants a screen share capture permission always, and you can see the details. You can tap start now. Now this screen is very important. You have to share the entire screen. This is so the assistant can look at your screen when the offer comes in. It doesn't do anything automatically. It's you having to initiate the action. So here, share screen on the entire screen. Share. Now you can see the assistant just popped up, assistant tool. Now that's it. That's all you have to do. Now go back to your Gig app. Here I'm doing Uber Eats. Now when an offer comes in, nothing happens automatically. I have to initiate the inspection of the offer. I tap here. The assistant is processing all this on the screen, and it's going to tell me, depending on your criteria you entered in the app. Here, this is in red, so that means that your per mile is no good, 57 cents, and your per hour is $13. So it's up to you to take that. You have to go back in the app and tap accept. Now Driver Power doesn't do any rights for you, anything. It's just an assistant to help you evaluate whether these are good. Now if you like the offer and you decide to take it, you can mark it as taken, and that's going to save. Since you marked it as taken, that's going to update the data over here. You can see that you did $9 one trip. Okay. If you go to your offer history, you can see so far you're at this rate. This is your average per hour, per mile. And this is the list of the trips you've taken, and then the ones you've not. It will automatically come and enter them here. Now you can do DoorDash and Uber Eats with that, and it will go through and tell you what you took. This is a really cool screen because it's actually giving you the screenshot of what you accepted, and you can go back and see what you did. You can enter a tip. For example, they tipped you after the trip $1, and this is going to help you see this over here. It reflects there. So this is the basic. If you want to stop the assistant, you can stop it from here and you're good to go. And you can stop or start the assistant. You can leave it on, food delivery again, entire screen, and you can move it up and down if it obstructs your view. You may be wondering how to set your filters. Gonna come here and tap on driver settings. Here, earnings preferences. You can update your hourly rate that you prefer to make, or your minimum per mile that you want to make. You can save. Make sure the assistant restarts if it's running, and you can start it again. You evaluate your offer. You can see the numbers in red if this is not $2 or this is not $20 an hour. You're going to have these numbers in red.